no, 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 no!
Ever wonder why your phone dies quicker just a few months after you buy it? Hi, I'm Nick at Canal Electronics, and we are passionate about saving you from all those times that your phone died in the middle of the day and you couldn't get to an outlet or you forgot your charger. Those moments when you thought, my phone didn't used to die like this just a few months ago. We have the answer to your problems. Introducing the Canal Battery Guard. At some point, you might have felt your phone getting hot while charging. Charging your phone overnight or using fast chargers causes your battery to reach temperatures upwards of 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which destroys your battery over time. As a result, the more you charge your phone, the weaker its battery becomes. Canal Battery Guard puts an end to this cycle. Designed to fit in with your normal overnight charging habits, the Battery Guard uses an experimentally proven charging algorithm that gives your battery rest periods to minimize overheating, the crucial factor in battery degradation. The Battery Guard fits between your standard charging brick and USB charging cable and communicates with an app on your phone. Simply connect via Bluetooth and set the time you'll be waking up in the morning, and the Battery Guard will do the rest. Preliminary testing has shown the Battery Guard can cut battery decay by up to 50%, effectively doubling the lifespan of your phone. No more low battery anxiety, no more wasting your money on a new phone, and no more waiting for your phone to charge up. With your help, we'll be able to start the mass manufacturing process, allowing us to fully bring the Canal Battery Guard to market. Be a part of our vision to keep batteries going. Don't let your battery hold you back.